A big hello everyone, my name is Konark Wadhwa. I'm an entrepreneur in Hyderabad. One of our businesses is called as Brintex. You've seen my sister, my co-founder, my business partner Saiba Wadhwa do a lot of house setups in Hyderabad and around Hyderabad.
So today we are on to a very special space because this is our own house, and because we want to make it all the more special, I would like Konark to take the reins today and I will take the back seat.
I would also have my wife Priyanka take you through some of the spaces in the house. So the total area that we've taken here is about 4700 SFT. It's divided across two apartments. We talk about this one today. So the theme of the house, I'll have Priyanka speak about it.
Yeah, so the theme of the house is contemporary. We have used gold, black, grey, white and pops at a couple of places.
See, one reason why we selected this house in particular was also a very beautiful layout. Almost all the rooms in the house are of equal sizes, which also allowed us to make one of the rooms as the home theatre in the house. Another very important factor is the natural light. The apartment gets plenty of it.
So the first space in the house is the formal living. It is this one space which is well connected to all rooms in the house. It's the space where we have our formal guests coming in once in a while. It's very colorful, very quirky. The next space in the house is the dining area. This dining table is made with Burma teak. It has Italian granite put on top of it. The upholstery on the chairs and the bench is same as the one on the sofas in the formal living.
My workstation. This is one space where I spend like good 14-15 hours a day and almost like 7 days a week. While the rest of the house is very modern and elegant, the master bedroom is a little palatial and it has some vintagey corners too. Both me and Priyanka were longing for a poster bed for quite some time, and here we have a 4-poster bed with bedside bench which essentially hides all our bedspreads, cushions and runners. The bed has premium European veneer from Culture, a brand in Hyderabad. It is a grey color veneer, very rare to find. The bedroom has got a huge balcony. We made some changes to the washrooms as well. In this one, we changed the basin, got some accessories which added a tinge of gold.
This is the second bedroom. This is where our extended family and guests stay over. It has a good amount of storage and has very subtle colors.
The entertainment room in the house is a very special place for us.
We did not pick up a very beefy home theatre system, but we picked up the Bose 700, which essentially has the soundbar and the woofer, which gives an amazing sound nevertheless. We have a wall map here on the wall where Priyanka and I pin the locations that we've been to together. This is also the space where we host our extended family and a lot of our friends. Guys, this place gets really buzzing over the weekends. This is our kitchen. Priyanka and I spent a lot of time cooking here during the lockdown. Thanks to this television where we have watched a lot of recipes. We have used white acrylic here with some really quirky blue Moroccan tiles. Like a lot of us do, we also do not like to see a lot of clutter in the kitchen. Most of our appliances are either hidden or they're mounted in the wall. The hidden ones will only come out when we want to use them.
The next space is our guest balcony. This is one of our favorite spaces in the house. Everybody loves this space.
All the doors in the house have had PU finishing done.
A big shout out to all the brands that we used to make this space a beautiful home. Address Home, Bench Chair, Culture, Decor Cart, The White Teak Company, Jai Durga Furnishings, Tea Decor, Home Artisans, Hanuman Enterprises, Umbra, Light Store.
Guys, I really hope that you like this house. Do post comments, ask us questions, ask us anything about this house, and do not forget to subscribe. I'd also make sure that I'll be a part of many more such videos in the upcoming days. Until then, goodbye.